Grab a cloth and then spray some cleaning solution. Get a brush to clean off some dirt. For my case, I use my old makeup brush. Get a cloth and then spray some cleaning solution to wipe the surface of the keyboard. Make sure to unplug the mouse. Again, use cloth and then spray some cleaning solution to clean the mouse. Remember to wipe it gently. Make sure to avoid wiping the sensor. And then clean the cord. First, go to File Explorer. Select Computer and then go to Uninstall or change a program. Select an app and then right-click and you can see the uninstall button. Then wait. That's all. Thank you.